What is presentation practice production? It's also called PPP. It's a very common way to teach a language. So the first step presentation is when the teacher presents some aspect of the language, for example, the simple past. So you could talk about using the simple past, irregular verbs, regular verbs, question forms, negative forms, that kind of thing. And you could also give some situations in which students could use the simple past. For example, talking about a memory, talking about their high school days, talking about a past vacation, what they did the previous night, something like that. The next step is practice. So this is when students will do some exercises in the textbook or a worksheet or something like that. The key is it's very controlled. So students might just have to, they might have to fill in a blank or make a sentence or answer a question. It's usually done through writing. When I get my students to do this, I have them first do the writing exercise, and then they can pair with a partner, and then we just check answers quickly together as a class. The final step is production. So this is a little bit freer. This is when I play a game or activity, or I get students to have a discussion with a partner, and they are free to use the simple past in kind of whatever way they wish, as long as it makes sense and it's reasonably correct in terms of forms. Okay, so that is presentation, practice, production. It's often what you'll see in most ESL or EFL textbooks. If you like this video, please be sure to check out my book, Tips for Teaching ESL, EFL. I'll put the link up there. And hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment and tell me whether you like this approach to teaching English or you prefer something else. Okay, until next time. Bye, everybody.